Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you about 3 types of ganaches. The first one is 2 parts chocolate and 1 part cream. And that really makes a beautiful hand-rolled truffle. Another type of ganache is when you use 2 parts fresh cream and 1 part chocolate. It just makes a beautiful chocolate sauce. The next type of ganache when you use 1 part cream. And 1 part chocolate. So when you mix it well, you can use it for icing a cupcake. Thanks for watching the video. Please make sure, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you share it with your friends and family and hit the bell notification. You'll get tons and tons of new recipes. See you soon. Stay fit, stay sassy, and look forward to see you again.